My name's Laura Rees and I'm the coach at Rhydyfelin Netball Club. It started off with one of the girls, Leah Marshall, who's the chairwoman now. She came up to me and asked me to come and coach. And we started off with 6 players, 1 ball and no bibs. And yeah, it progressed from there and now we're to 30 members.
I'm surprised how enthusiastic everyone was to come back to netball, considering a lot of the people had never played netball before or hadn't played since they were in school.
It was a good few years since I played, yeah. But yeah, we all got into it pretty quick and our coach was really good, really supportive.
When I first joined the club, I wasn't doing any fitness at all. And now my fitness has progressed. I do running, netball, different things. And when I joined the club, I hadn't played for like 15, 16 years. So it's quite a long time.
We've got people who have never played netball before. We've got people who have children and just feel like they need the time out. So yeah, we welcome everyone. So that's what made the club different to other clubs in RCT.
There's a good mixture of age. There's, from sort of 17 onwards up to 50 years of age. And I think it's appealing to a lot of mothers. Gives them a bit of a release from the kids.
It's easy going, they're lovely girls, everybody. They're so easy to get on with.
Everyone's so friendly. Yeah, mega friendly, nice team as well, nice group of girls.
It's like a new family.
Some people couldn't catch a ball when they first started, so to see how they've grown now from March, also catching the ball and also fitness-wise is amazing, it really is.
Since March last year I started goal shooter. I've got injured, back on, lost weight and now I'm a goal attack. And I'm happy to be goal attack, but I do like my rest, back to goal shooter.
When I first started, I'd be lucky if I could play one of 4 quarters. Now I can play all 4 in a position that's not just standing there doing nothing. So no, my fitness in 12 months, because that's all we've been going, 12 months is unreal.
It's given us a better social life, because we've just recently had our first presentation now as well. So it gives us a few nights out as well. My social life has gone from nothing to like every weekend. No, we get together a lot. We have such a great laugh, presentation night and everything. They're really, really good girls.
I've grown up in Rhydyfelin all my life and half the people are in this club are from Rhydyfelin and I've never really spoken to them before. So it has had a massive impact on me. I have now, like I said, 25 to 30 netball sisters, which I never had before. It's a bit mad, but I love it.
We've got 3 teams now, so we're going into the A470 League next season with an extra team, which is the 3 teams. But we would like to progress to a juniors, which we're going to start in the summer. And that will be down here as well. But yeah, just progress and get the numbers in, hopefully.
Last summer we applied for a community chess grant, which we were fortunate to have. This helped us massively with equipment because we didn't have any bibs, 1 borrowed ball. So yeah, we were really lucky and this has helped our club progress massively because sharing a ball between like 20 people wasn't exactly ideal. So it's helped us with our skill and obviously progressing as players. So without that, the club wouldn't be where we are today.